Good morning, students. So, today we will study our first poem, that is The Rebel, written by D.R. Enright. First of all, tell me, do you know anyone who always disagree with you or your friend? Or do you having any friend who always goes opposite of what you want? Or likes to do opposite of what everybody thinks? If you want to have a pajama party, the other wants to have disco party. If you want to play inside, that particular person want to play outside. Do you having? Okay. Which is the word you use to describe such a person who wants opposite of it? Okay, I will tell you, such a person is called rebel. That means a rebel is a person who always do opposite of what you want. This poem is all about a person who is a rebel. Okay. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So, when everybody wants a short hair, or say it is a fashion of a short hair, the rebel wants a long hair. And when everybody is having a long hair, this rebel wants to have a short hair. That means this person always wants to do opposite of what the other is doing. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Okay, that means when other is silent, they are just listening to the lecture, what the teacher is saying. At that time, the rebels is making disturbance, and when the other is not listening to the lecture, they are talking to each other. At that time, the rebel is silent. He is just concentration on the lessons. That means the opposite of what the other is doing. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dress in fantastic clothes. I have written twice. And when everybody wears the fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. That means when other students or other friends of the rebel dress themselves in a uniform, at the time to be different from them, he used to wear the soberly dress, and when the other is wearing that one, he want to wear a fantastic dress. That means we can say that the rebel is doing always doing the opposite of what the other is doing. In the company of the dog lovers, the rebel express a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Suppose a rebel, that person is in the company of the dog lovers. There are many persons sitting together who loves dog. At the time, the rebels give preference for the cat. He talks about the cat. He is not paying attention to the dog, but when he is in the company of the cat lovers, he always talk about the dog. That means he is just doing opposite. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When the other is praising the sun, that sun is very useful to us. Without the sun, there is no life. At the time, the rebels say the need for the rain. No, the rain is very important. It gives us such and such thing. And when the other is talking about the rain, that the rain is a precious thing, at the time, the rebel used to discuss about the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stay at home and reads a book. And when everybody stay at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Again, the rebels do the opposite thing. When the others are sitting at home reading the book, the rebels want to go in meeting. And when the others are in meeting, he just want to sit at home and read the book. So you can say that, as I discussed you earlier also, a rebel is a person who always do opposite of what the other is doing. Maybe to be in the light that this person is very different from the other, that we are not clear, but maybe he want to be a independent, he want to be in a line, he want that he should be differentiated from the others, that person is different, maybe in some other way. So when everybody say yes please, the rebel say no thank you. So, and when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So when the other is saying thank you, he is saying yes please, and when the other is saying yes please, the rebel is saying thank you. So in this way, the rebel is always doing the opposite what his friend or others are doing. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So the poet is saying that it is very good, it is good to have such type of rebels in your life. Okay, I hope you understand this poem, and with this also I am giving you the question answers. Please write in your